àwọn àṣírí kan mà ti tú nípa Omowunmi Ajiboye àti Segun Ogungbe ọkọ ẹ̀. Àwọn òṣèré méjì yìí ni Aunty Adunni ti tú àwọn àṣírí kan nípa wọn. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní wọ́n kàn bímọ fúnra wọn ní pé kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n fẹ́ra wọn níṣu lọ́kà. Kí ni Segun Ogungbe sọ fún Atinúkẹ́ tó jẹ́ ìyàwó àkọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ tó wá fa wàhálà láàrin òun àti ìyàwó kejì tó jẹ́ Omowunmi? Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé Omowunmi ti ń tú àwọn àṣírí kan nípa Ogungbe lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta tó ti káàkiri gbogbo orí social media nípa gbogbo ìṣekúṣe tó lọ́kọ òun ń ṣe tó ti gbogbo ẹ̀ ti di gbọ́n mi sí omi òtó láàrin wọn tó ní kódà gan tó ń ṣẹ́yún fún obìnrin kan tó ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́. ní báyìí o Aunty Adunni ti wá ṣàlàyé àwọn nǹkan kan ohun tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fi di bẹ́ẹ̀ tó fi di pé wọ́n fúnra wọn jẹ lóríṣiríṣi tí Wùnmí bá ṣe tiẹ̀ ọkọ náà á ṣe tiẹ̀. báwo lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe jẹ́ gan? ṣé ẹ rántí pé ọ̀rọ̀ MC Olúọmọ fẹ́ dá wàhálà tó pọ̀ láàrin wọn? ó dá wàhálà lẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì yìí tó di pé wọ́n ní í ṣe l'Ògúngbè ó wà ní patí náà ńgbà náà patí òkú ìyá Wùnmí tó fi dàbí ẹni pé MC àbí MC Olúọmọ tó fi dàbí ẹni pé MC Olúọmọ àti àwọn èèyàn tọ́jìjọ wá nìkan ni wọ́n ń kì tí wọ́n ń kí tó lórí ń kì wọ́n mẹ́sàn-án mẹ́wàá nígbà tí ọkọ Wùnmí tí ó jókòó yẹn Ògúngbè tí wọ́n ní í ṣe ló rọra jókòó tó dákẹ́ jẹ́ àfi bí ẹni pé kì í ṣe ọkọ Omowunmi. àwọn kan tiẹ̀ ní í ṣe ló jókòó bíi house boy. ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ní agbára gan. ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tí Aunty Adunni sọ nípa ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. Welcome to crossblogX TV. Remember to like, share and follow us. lára àwọn ẹ̀sùn tí Wùnmí fi kan Ògúngbè náà ni pé ó ń fi ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀yìn jẹ òun níṣu. ó bá obìnrin kan ó fi ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀yìn jẹ òun níṣu. kí ló wá fa gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? báwo lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe dé ibi tó dé tó fi di pé Ògúngbè tún wá ń fi love letter ránṣẹ́ sí ìyàwó àkọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn ní ó dà wípé bí yẹn ṣe dá a sí tó ó sì tún pàpà fi ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀yìn jẹ yẹn náà níṣu. ó ṣe wá jẹ́ pé àsìkò yìí ni ó tún wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ ló ń kọ lẹ́tà àfẹ́ sí yẹn. wo nǹkan kí sẹ́sẹ̀ ràgó ẹja gbóhùn ká gbọ́ àlàyé lẹ́nu Aunty Adunni.
Segun Ogungbe at a point now came out and said, I think the embarrassment was much for the guy. After some point, now the guy come out, say, the woman which is Wunmi, say now the belle woman Wunmi get for am, now he make am marry am. Now he be say, Segun was telling the world, say if to say Wunmi no get belle, if for no marry Wunmi, he do am back. That one na 1-1. Scores, he don level. Wunmi do what he hold, Segun give am back. 1-1. That one go. But men no dey forgive easily like that. As things dey go, Wunmi dey show say she don arrive. She launch a new car. We no know who buy car for her. Whether na theater money she take buy am, I no know. Whether na money, I no know. At least atowo olowo, atowo ẹni, kọ́lọ̀ má fi kan wọ́n wá. Even if na man, how many women man go buy something for you go say you no want, you go collect. So whether na man buy the car, I no know. Whether na she buy the car, I no know. At least she flaunted the car. She can't show say she don't arrive. She sure say she dey live well. And I want to believe she's even living better than Segun and the first wife now. Because it be like say she can't get some rich people where they sponsor am. I don't know, but at least she's living good. Today now, as we dey talk, she dey abroad. I don't know the kind of abroad where she go, but she dey abroad. She go. I don't know the country, I mean to say. And this lady, na fine lady, make we no deceive ourselves. She carry front, she carry back. In fact, the front where she carry, no be small front. The front be like mountain. So, and you know, say men, and they don't take I see mountain. That one they go. She dey flaunt. Okay, she went to Germany. She dey show She don't get flat chest like my own like this. Her own front. Now like this her front it be. Before I can get that kind of front, you see cloth? Now like this her front it be. No be like my own. So she carry waiting men like for body. E no do. She become a big girl. She don't dey reach the leagues of the big babes in the industry. Okay? Whether they do olosho, I don't know. Whether they no do olosho, I don't know. All I know say she don't become big girls. Today she's a big girl. Not only a big girl, she dey enjoy life. Today they say she dey Germany. My front is flat. You know she say my front is flat. I'm waiting I get. You won't compare my front to the one wey be like this. You know see, before I can get this kind thing, I go carry plenty wrapper put for here. For my own to reach like that. He carry front, the girl carry the package well. So, not be only package, she get fine face. Whether she dey do olosho,
ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin Omowunmi Ajiboye àti Segun Ogungbe òun náà ni Aunty Adunni ṣàlàyé bó ṣe jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tó há sí pálapàla ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì òun náà ni wọ́n ń sọ yìí.
I always tell you when marriage break, whether they marry or they don't marry, they get children, they are married. Forget that story. When marriage break, I don't dey tell you say, if you see women, I know they like to make marriage break. You don't come and be going to dance on social media. If you want to know women, when they don't break with their man, now on top of social media, you go see them. Then go begin dance. Then go begin show off. Say, see wetin you dey miss. See wetin you dey miss. Segun sef, you no comot for the lady body. The lady they show say she don't arrive. They show say she still dey market. And truly, she still dey market for real. The kind market where she come dey, I don't know. Whether she go see somebody wey go buy the market permanently, I don't know. But she dey market. As she dey do all her shakara, Segun sef, you no comot there. Segun dey look. He dey go peep. Segun come look, oh, say wetin him go do am. Na him first wife. This one na aproko. I know allege. Na aproko of wetin we see on social media. As Segun see say, this girl he dey do shakara. Segun ha, he no comot there. When men leave you, especially when na you leave man, they know they could forgive you. Na him Segun dey look am. Segun ha, he no comot there. And na him make Segun, as first wife wan celebrate birthday, Segun come start love letter. Now that time Segun come remember, say the first wife he come begin give am. May I go read the name? Wait, may I dey come? Any suru? Let us read the epistle where Segun make for the first wife. As first wife celebrates birthday, na Segun first post in massive Ati Iyawo Ajike love. Na the first wife self go under the post say, "Oh, she call me, love you too. Ew, love is beautiful. Love is wicked. Love is wicked. Now he say, "Oh, she call me, love you too." Okay, after that one, on the D-Day, na Segun writes a piece too. I go love one ting. Love one ting. Love one ting. Now that time, Yori love come enter Uncle Segun head. Hey, Yori. Chineke mo. And with you, my lovey. With you, everything is welly. Your love, they make my heart do Yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. And with you, my love. With you, my love is Yori. And my love is Yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. And with you, my love. Yori. Now Yori love come enter Uncle Segun head. Now Uncle Segun can say, today I celebrate the person who brings so much joy to my life. Segun, ó fẹ́ kí n bú ẹ bọ̀ mi fẹ́ bú ẹ. Hello, Uncle Segun. Hello. Ẹ máa ń tanra yín ṣe ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. You can deceive yourself. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Hello. So, anyway, may I dey talk go. Today I celebrate the person who brings so much joy to my life. Ati Iyawo Keji. When times are good and when they are
ọ̀rọ̀
bad.
láàrin Wunmi Ajiboye àti Segun Ogungbe òun náà ni Aunty Adunni ṣàlàyé bó ṣe jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tó há sí pálapàla ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì òun náà ni wọ́n ń sọ yìí.
Now the bombshell where Uncle Segun drop will be that. Madam, you find your new love now. Kini tèmi nínú ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Segun. Now the bombshell where Uncle Segun take greet the wife. Now he scatter second wife head. And second wife, because mo yìí ń bèrè pé kí ni Segun ṣe that warranted ẹkún tí kí ló lóhùn jẹ́ ẹkún tí Wunmi sun jáde. I search. I no see wetin he do. But I see say Segun purposely do pepper them. Segun don pepper them. Oh. Pepper them. Segun don pepper them. Segun get Ati Iyawo. He get Ati Iyawo. He no look kini come side again. He can't use am to pepper them. Pepper them. Oh. Oh, wala dey. You see this fight where they on ground. Ìjà orogún ni o. Na ìjà orogún. Ìjà orogún ò dẹ̀ dá. You see wetin Segun cause? He don't look. He look, oh, he say you no go get peace where you dey. And that is typical of men. When man leave you, if you no make yourself respect yourself, that man go make sure say that place where you go, you no go enjoy your life there. As Segun say, Wunmi dey enjoy in life. He dey enjoy in life. Now Segun, he say you will never enjoy your life. You will not have peace. He can't remember say Ati Iyawo is the best thing that ever happened to him. Ati Iyawo will always love you. Ati Iyawo, in ups and downs, you are the only one that is there. Ati Iyawo, you have done this, you have done that. Now that time Segun can't remember. Say Ati Iyawo is the best thing. He sing. Segun can't become parrots. Ó dẹ̀ ya ìbákà. Ó dẹ̀ ya àwòkó. Ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń kọrin. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń jábọ́. The same Ati Iyawo. May I analyze that thing first before we go forward? The same Ati Iyawo that brings so much joy to your life. Yet your kokoro is still standing for other women. Why do you think you can deceive with some women? She's the best thing that has ever happened to you. And yet, you went outside, then say no be only this girl you dey kerewa. Then say you can kerewa anything. And she's the best thing. You say when times are good, she is there. When times are bad, she is there. And yet, even if Ati Iyawo is pretending to be happy, I can tell you as a woman, she's crying in her closet. She's crying in the secret. She is crying. She's ashamed. Either she accepts it or not. She's ashamed to have you as husband. The kind man where they sing this kind song for woman. Now the man will not get second wife. Any man who don't get second wife does not need to sing this song. Though you are deceiving yourself, you might be deceiving her too. Because ìbílẹ̀ ni. Àwọn ìbílẹ̀ lè máa fi irú nǹkan báyìí lọ. After everything where you don't do, you can't say all this story. What do you mean on second wife? What do you mean on second wife? Ṣé bó ti pè ní wife rí? Kazeem Abdulrasheed òun náà ó ti pè ní second wife rí. Ìjà ló dé láàrin àwọn méjèèjì tí orin dòwe. Ìjà ló dé lórin dòwe láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. Ó ti pè ní second wife rí. Ìyẹn náà ti pè Ṣẹ́gun ní husband. Ẹ má tanra yín, wọ́n dẹ̀ bímọ fúnra wọn. Now, mo yìí máa padà sórí Wùnmí o. Mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ settle Ṣẹ́gun. Àwa fàbọ̀ sórí Ṣẹ́gun again. Èkó ẹ̀dá gangan nìyẹn. Now, ó ní pé in the ups and downs, the money that is not enough for you and Atinuke, already you are sharing it by marrying a second wife. Atinuke will have to manage with you. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin, you love people who will come and manage, right? They will come and manage in the process. Ẹ tún fojú wọn ráre. Èwo lórin irọ́? Èwo ni love song irọ́? Love song is sweet when you are the only one. Tẹ́ bá ti pé méjì, there is nothing like love song. Hello? Tí obìnrin bá ti pé méjì.
Ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin Wùnmí Ajiboye àti Segun Ogungbe. Òun náà ni Aunty Adunni ṣàlàyé bó ṣe jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tó há sí pálapàla ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. Òun náà ni wọ́n sọ yìí.
That you are singing. Gbogbo love song tó kọ yìí. How lucky am I to call you my wife? To grow in love. Every day we continue to grow in love. You continue to grow in love, or she's growing in endurance with you. She's growing in amumora with you. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin, I know you come and fight me. I am not saying don't have more than one wife. The last time I did a video, Cherry, tó bá yá, you will call women, okay, I will use some men. Tó bá yá, you will call women user. Tó bá yá, obìnrin tó bá smart, wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe ń deal pẹ̀lú yín. But èmi kọ́ ni máa sọ yẹn, because when I talk that one now, you say this one is teaching women bad thing. This one is teaching women bad thing. Ẹ prefer kóbìnrin gbó káyé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ sábẹ́ yín than for that women to have correct head and live in peace and joy with her life and her children. You would rather have them under you. Come and sunkún. Kí ni wọ́n máa dùn. Come and deal with issues.
Ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin Wùnmí Ajiboye àti Segun Ogungbe. Òun náà ni Aunty Adunni ṣàlàyé bó ṣe jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tó há sí pálapàla ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. Òun náà ni wọ́n sọ yìí.
Ẹni tó bá mọ́ lára, tó bá bá lára mu mi ni kó má ṣe o. I am not so polygamy is a sin. I have never said it. And I always say, if you can cope, do it. And there are some people that will need to. They don't have any choice. There are some people who love it for so many reasons. When we talk, I will still come to Wùnmí. Ẹ fi Wùnmí sílẹ̀. Now, look at all the epistles Segun wrote. He said, but every day we continue to grow in love. Uncle Segun, lover boy. When a man loves a woman, he put his mind on nothing else. A woman not pay. When a man loves a woman, when a man loves many women. When a man loves a woman, he put his mind on nothing else. A woman, you know, they never say many women. Now, Nigerian love is when a man loves many women, he will be deceiving all of them. He will tell all of them, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. He will leave that one and go to the next one and say, you are the best thing that ever happened to me. After he jump from that one, he will go to and jump another one. You are the best thing ever happened to me. When a man loves a woman, Nigeria men eleton. Well, okay. He said we will grow in love at Inukemi. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Orin ilo da wa lale o. Lazy ni mi tọkọtọkọ, èmi àtorin àfi sùúrù. Orin ilo da wa lale o. Na this song cause wahala.
Drop your comment. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Thanks for watching.